Sue has no idea what's about to happen. But how should I prank her? Oh! That's it! It's obvious! I'll hide her hairpins! She'll be so confused. I'm a diabolical genius, the prank master! Whoa! Ah! Betrayed by my own pranks!
Oh no! My hairpins! Everything's a mess! Sam, do you know anything about this? Unbelievable!
Sorry, Sue. I was trying to prank you. I mean, Raj was pranking you.
Hang on. This gives me an idea. Let's go, Sam.
Well, that was unexpected. Coming! Look at us, Sue. The pranking partnership. The dynamic duo. Raj doesn't stand a chance.
We are not pranking, Sammy. We are making a craft. We are going to make something to store all my hair accessories.
So, no more pranks? That's okay. You know how I love my crafts.
I sure do. It doesn't get better than this. Crafting can soothe my nerves and make me relaxed. Wow, that looks pretty good, huh?
I'm not sure, Sue. It's a little underwhelming.
Come on, Sammy. You know there's more to do.
I was thinking we could use Princess Sparkles as our inspiration.
Great idea, Sam. You could create the unicorn's face while I cut the foam.
Wow, that's quite a responsibility. I'm so ready for it. You really mean it?
Of course, Sammy. You are my crafting buddy.
I'll do it for Princess Sparkles. I can't let her down. And you, of course.
Aw, thanks. Now get the coloring supplies, please.
Be right back. Let's ride, Princess Sparkles!
Have a safe ride! And I'll be right here. Now the shape's cut out. Let's remove this. And we've got our unicorn.
Sorry it took so long. Princess Sparkles had an accident. Did you know unicorn poo-poo is rainbow-colored?
Never heard of that. But thanks for sharing. Now I need to cover the unicorn with tape.
I need to get into the right mood. I want the creativity to flow. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's make a unicorn.
I can't wait to see. I know you'll do a great job.
Leave it to the master, Susie. I know what I do. A flick of pen here, another there. These strokes are gems. I think it's ready. My opus, my masterpiece, my… Oh!
Is there a glitch in the masterpiece, Sam?
Oops! That didn't go as planned. How am I going to fix this? It's awful! I need help! Princess Sparkles! You are here to save the day! You are my guardian angel!
Princess Sparkles did a great job!
Next, we need to cut it out. Allow me! This is great! So much fun!
Take it easy, Sam. You don't want to make any mistakes.
I think I know what I'm doing. I just need to… Oh! We may have a problem. Oh, even Princess Sparkles couldn't fix this.
That doesn't look so bad. I think we can still use this. It just needs a little fixing.
You mean it's a happy accident? Oh, cool!
It sure is, Sammy. Actually, it will be even better than we thought.
I guess we don't need this anymore.
No, I'll take it.
Okay.
We want a horn that shines. So I'll print this paper horn on some gold paper.
Wow, you're a genius! Can I have it once you're done?
Here you go. What are you going to do with it?
Just wait and see. Patience!
Oh, that sounds mysterious. I'm intrigued.
It will blow your mind.
So, is this ready yet?
No, Susie. Now it is time for some shimmer. Let's make it shine!
There you go. I feel the magic vibes already.
Susie, look! I'm twinning with the unicorn! I am a unicorn!
Wow, you look amazing! It really suits you.
I know!
So, how are we gonna decorate our unicorn? What do you say, Mr. Unicorn Expert?
Well, it's the unicorn beauty season. We need Princess Sparkle's expertise here.
Not quite what I meant. I thought we could use watercolor paint.
A little too conventional. but I'll go with it.
We don't need to do a lot. Just apply some smoky effect to give a nice look. Just like this. You'll see it really bring out other colors.
You're on your own, Susie. Princess Sparkles wants a makeover. I never said that. Yes, you did. Just relax, Princess. I'm a pro at this.
He sure is. You're in good hands, Princess. Subscribe if you agree, friends. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Check it out, Sam. The smoky effect looks great.
I can't see a thing. The smoke gets my vision blurry, but keep going. Now it's time for some lippy tint. This shade will make your lips pop. How about some rouge?
Maybe I'll go with pink rosy cheeks for our unicorn. Thanks for the inspiration, Sam. Let's fix some smoky pink then.
It's what I do, Susan. I'm full of great ideas. I'm like a creative guru.
Like I said many times, what would I do without you? Aw, this is looking adorable. How is it going over there, Sam?
Everything's going well. The Mona Lisa will be trash compared to my creation.
What else should we have here?
How about lovely long lashes?
That makes sense. Unicorns do have long lashes.
Huh? What? I was talking to Princess Sparkles. Do not copy my creation.
Excuse me, Mr. Slimy Slime. I need your expertise on this, remember? All done, and voila! Wow! I wish my eyelashes were this easy to do. And it goes right here.
Oh, finally my work is done. This is so exhausting. Time for the big reveal now. Say hello to the new Princess Sparkles. Ta-da! Hello, everyone! Holy cannoli! How is that even possible? Is this real? Am I dreaming? Pinch me, somebody! Ouch! Let me take a closer look. I guess I'm much better than I thought.
I don't know what to say.
We should probably clean this off. What a relief. I think I'm gonna stick to helping Sue.
Good, because we still got a lot to do here. Let's not forget Unicorn Rainbow Mane. First purple.
Oh! Sue, do the yellow next, please!
You got it, Sam. Yellow it is.
Oh, yeah!
Friends, I remind you to put extra care when using the hot glue gun.
That mane is a bit too long for our craft. This unicorn needs a little trim.
I agree, Sam. Oh, and you can do the honors.
Really? I'm on it!
While you do that, I'll make a braid. This will add extra style to her hair. It's just like doing my own hair. Although mine isn't as colorful as this. Add a cute little bow at the end. This is one cute rainbow braid. We are ready for your unicorn band, Sammy.
The unicorn's ready. And I hope you are ready for a fresh new me.
This is getting more interesting and unexpected. Don't you think, Sam?
Maybe. Let's just continue with the craft, Sue. Yippee!
It's like you can read my mind, Sammy. So the mane is actually our superstar here. We will store our hairpins by putting them on the mane. You can pin them in a certain way that they look unique and festive.
Wow, it's magnificent and adorable. I love it!
Let's hear what Princess Sparkle's got to say about this unicorn hairpin organizer.
I think it looks like me. No, it looks like me. No. It looks like me. Wow, so pretty! I could look at it all day! Aww!
I know, right? Huh? What's this? Sam, is this book yours?
Huh? My prank book!
Let's agree on no more pranks, okay?
Okay. My prank days are over. It's better to craft, have fun and laugh with friends. Although, I do have an epic prank for Roger. Maybe just one more prank. See you later!
Sammy, wait! Where are you? Bye, friends!